Hi everyone, this tutorial will show you how to add students to your course website using the Add Users plugin. This is what your students will see on your course website after you add and configure the Add Users plugin. Your students will be able to see the Add Users section on the sidebar. Students can enter the password that you have set and click on the Add Me button to register themselves to the course. This tutorial is divided in two sections. First part, where you'll be adding the Add Users plugin and configuring the widget for your course. Second part is where you'll be notifying students of the two-step process for adding themselves to your site. You may choose to notify students of the sign-up process either by email or via an announcement in class. Attention to this step will reduce confusion and get your class off to a good start. First, what you have to do is to add a plugin to your course website. Access to support.cms.ubc.ca. Click on the CWL login button to log in with your CWL account. Select your unit and click on Next. Fill in the title as Plugin Activation Request, Add User Sidebar Widget. Enter the URL of your course website and request activation of Add User Sidebar Widget plugin. After you have filled in the form, click on Submit. After the CMS support has activated the plugin, go to cms.ubc.ca and click on the Login button. Under Dashboard, click on My Sites. Look for your course website that you would like to add your students and click on Dashboard. Next, hover on Settings and click on Reading. Set the site visibility to either allow search engines to index the site or to discourage search engines from indexing the site. This is to make sure the setting on your blog allow users to find it without having to log in first. This will reduce the chance of problems during the adding phase. You can always adjust these settings later if you want your blog not to be visible to the public. From the left sidebar, hover on Appearance. Then select Widgets. Click and drag on the Add User widget to the section that you would like to make the Add User button to appear. I have dragged the Add User widget to the Front Page widget. Configure the widget. Under Add User, insert a title. Select either of subscriber, contributor, and author depending on the level of access you want your students to have. Subscriber allows students to manage their own profile. Contributor will allow students to post on your course blog but cannot publish. Author allows students to write and publish the post. I will set the permission as subscriber. It is recommended to set a password to your course. Setting a password will avoid random users registering to the website. I have set the password. After you have entered the password, click on Save. When you add the plugin to the widget to the front page, make sure that the widget is displaying on the front page. To display the widget on front page, go to Appearance, click on Theme Options, and select Front Page. And make sure it is selected as under option 1, 2, 3, or 5. Now you have completed the process. If you go to the site, you will see the Add Users plugin is added to your widget. Since you are the administrator of your course website, what you will see and what your students will see will be different. This is what your students will see after adding the widget. After you have added the widget, the most important process is to inform your students through the email. First, inform your students to get an account on cms.ubc.ca. They just need an account, not a personal website. Second, ask your students to access to your course and add themselves to the course website with the password provided. Remember to include your blog URL and the password in your email. This is an example of email that you might want to send it to your students before your course starts. Hope you find this tutorial useful. See you next time.